Oh, man. What a world we've come to. I can do so many subjects. Am I surprised? No. It makes sense that I'm so knowledgeable that I can handle all these subjects, ELA, science, etc. But here we are. All right. Hope you guys are having a good day so far. Exciting times. It looks nice out. Is it actually warm outside? Does anybody know? I, being the exciting person I am, have yet to actually step out into the dangerous world. But it looks pretty bright. It looks sunny. I hope it's actually warm, reflected. But yes, it is. Okay. All right. We'll have to get outside a little later. A lot of people going for walks. Yeah. I've seen a ton of people going on walks just in general. If it's warm, cold, anything. Someone yesterday said that their mom makes their family go for a walk every day or every night to go walk the dogs. So she was really excited about that. A little cold because of the wind. Okay. All right. Leo, you still working a lot? Hopefully staying safe out there. Yeah, I'm trying. I know. If you need to borrow my mask, just let me know. I'll lend it to you for a low price. You can pay me by stocking up on Hint of Line Tostitos at Hy-Vee. Just save them for me. Hide them somewhere. Okay. All right. So this is going to be pretty brief. I yesterday told you guys to do 1 through 5. Got a lot of you that sent me your information, your problems. Okay, looked pretty good. All right, you should have gotten a response from me, even if it was just like, yes, looks great. Right, but if there was some sort of if there was some sort of error, I tried to explain. So the most common error, so let me just explain it to everybody because I typed this a lot, but let me go ahead and talk about it here live, is that, so let's say throughout your solving, I'm just making up numbers here. Let's say throughout your solving that you get 2.41 hours, right? Or negative 2.41 hours. So that would represent negative 2.4 or 2.4 hours ago, right? 2.4 hours into the past. So the most common error that I saw was then people saying, oh, 2.41 hours, great. So that's 2 hours, 41 minutes. What in the hell? Okay, I saw a lot of this. And again, I just made up the 2.41. That's not what's actually in the work that you have to do. But so I saw a lot of people just directly transferring the numbers from the decimal into, okay, great. So the 2 represents 2 hours, and then 0.41 represents 41 minutes. All right, so that's not the case. So think about the conversion. So just a couple easy ones. For example, if we know 1 hour is 60 minutes, or if I know 2 hours is 120 minutes, or if I know a half of an hour is 30 minutes, etc. Okay, then hopefully, so if I were using my made-up numbers from this problem, if I wanted to know, so again, we can also think of 1/2 as 0.5. So if I wanted to know 0.41 hours, okay, hopefully then you can start to think about and determine what that time would actually equal in minutes, all right? Because it's not just a direct transfer, right? If you think about these as decimals, so 1.0 hours, that's 60 minutes. 2.0 hours, that's 120 minutes. 0.5 hours, that's 30 minutes. Okay, think about what is happening from here to here, or from here to here. I lost my arrows. So here to here, here to here. What is happening to get there? So if I have 0.41, it should be that same step. Okay, and I'm not going to say what it is. But that was the most common error that I saw, and that I probably replied to you saying. Right, so don't just take that decimal and immediately transfer it to minutes. Right, there's some calculation that you need to do to go from hours to minutes. All right, so that should help. Second most common error was just the law of cooling formula, just messing that up. So just as a reminder, so T0, nope, TS plus T0 minus TS e to the power of KT. Okay, I saw some people, or several people actually, forget the plus sign in here. So I saw a lot of people just multiplying TS times T0 minus TS. Okay, so don't forget the plus sign in between there. I also saw a couple people mess up this sign, and they put a plus sign where the minus sign should have gone. Okay, so just be careful. It was very little things. I don't know that I saw anybody that just completely farmed it, right? Most of you guys that did really well just had small errors, so that's great. So those are the 2 biggest things that I saw. Hopefully whenever I responded to you that it made sense and helped a little bit, but hopefully this, if it didn't, that this explains a little more and does a little bit better of job. Okay. So today, or tonight, my assignment, my goal for you is to finish vacation, right? So you've already done 1 through 5, so I think all that's left is 6 through 10. Or is it 11? I don't know. But finish it. All right. If I gave you the all clear on the 1 through 5, then yeah, you're definitely good to go. If I asked you to fix something, then go ahead and fix that. You don't need to send me an updated fix for 1 through 5 unless you really want to, just to double check, but you don't have to. So it'll just be that you finish it. So take pics of your work and email me. Okay, all work. People did different things. Some people did just wrote it on paper, took pictures and emailed it to me. That's fine. Some people wrote it on Smart Notebook. So like this program that I'm using right now, Smart Notebook, you guys all have that. You should have that on your school laptop. Okay, so if you search for that, just type in Smart or even Notebook probably, and it will come up. So you guys should all have that on your computer. You can open it up and write on it and email that to me, like the actual file. That's fine too. A couple people wrote it in OneNote and then like printed it from OneNote to a PDF and then emailed me the PDF. That's fine as well. A lot of different options. Or if you just want to open up Microsoft Paint and write your work in there, okay, I'm okay. As long as I can, see the work that you have, I can prove you did it, then it'll be great. And as a reminder, this is a checkpoint in Summit, okay, or it will be once I update it this afternoon. There's still a small handful of people that I have yet to hear from. Okay, so if you could also do me a favor and just kind of spread the word. If there's someone you know that doesn't particularly keep up, super diligently with the stream or watching the YouTube videos, okay, just give them a quick shout out. Let them know that, hey, there's this assignment that you're supposed to do. I would appreciate that since you guys have more direct contact with people. I can just send out crappy Schoology updates and emails, which suck. So spread the good word. But they'll also know whenever I put in that checkpoint in Summit and then mark it, as incomplete for them. What are your specs? I don't wear glasses. Right. Any questions on this? What the rest of this assignment's like, or what I'm asking for you to do? Again, continue. If you did last night, work with somebody. Okay, call and talk to them, FaceTime each other, and discuss and work through it. I'm totally on board with that. Okay, so any questions at all about this? Some of you have been requesting PFAs. All right, I've been approving them as I see them. I usually check, 1 to 2 times an hour in between when I'm teaching. So I'm trying to keep up with that best I can. But again, request it. I'll approve it. And you'll get a perfect score. Bro, your PC specs. I have the Apple II. Look it up. What a great machine. Okay. All right. I guess I'll leave you off there to work on whatever you need for this. All right. You can, I don't care. Take the rest of this the rest of this time to work on whatever you need to work on, or do it later, whatever. I don't care. I'll definitely be available though during this time. I'll have my email up and checking it constantly if you have a question, or I can hop back into the stream if you need me to explain something in person or whatever. But let me know and finish that off 6 through 10 or 11. I don't know what it is, and email that to me the best way that you can. Good. I will take all of your resounding silence to mean that you perfectly understand and you're going to do it and have a great time and have a lot of fun. So great. It's exactly what I wanted. Okay. Let me know if you need anything. Otherwise, I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you're doing well. Hope you're staying safe and not going too crazy. But let me know of anything you need. All right. Appreciate it, you guys. I'll see you later.